Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dread, and I wanted to get into a trade that I just took and just posted on Instagram and kind of break it down and why I took this trade, why I entered, where I entered, and why I took my profit, where I took my profit. Okay, so we're looking at USD Japan 15 minute. Obviously, we're always going to be looking at USD Japan because that's what I trade. Looking at the 15 minute, we got some breaks of these support zones here, a nice strong bearish close on this candle, and then we got some retest to some previous support and resistance zones here. These are just some previous SNRs that I have marked on the chart. So whenever I saw this close here and it come down, it formed this wick, I expected some retest. Since we had this long strong bearish close, I did expect some retest to some of these previous zones, especially this one. This is the one that I was watching most, and my entries are going to be marked by these white horizontal lines. You see one here and one here, and my take profit is marked by the purple dotted line here. But we're going to go down to the 1 minute chart, which is what I went down to whenever I started to look for my entries after I got this close here and this nice little wick here and got into this pullback. Okay, so looking at the chart, you see, we got the close, the strong bullish close, bearish close, excuse me. Then we got some play. We got another little breakout to the bottom to test this little, minor, this previous SNR level. And then it came back up into here and it tested this. I expected the retest. This is the retest after the break. We got a nice, strong bearish momentum breakout. And then, this is obviously some retest of some previous SNR levels. This SNR level here is the one that I was watching from right here. And that's the one that once I started seeing the rejection of that level, that's when I started to enter. We got these engulfing patterns and it came up and came back down and engulfed that immediately. We got a nice little wedge here forming. And I did take some early entries, as you can see, but with the overall consensus being bearish and with getting these nice rejection candles and rejection of this zone after this strong bearish move, I anticipated a nice little swing down back to the bottom to retest at least once or twice, and we've actually already got that, almost touched this level 3 times. And I set my take profit right above this previous SNR level because I usually like to give a little leadway. Because sometimes if I take a trade and I set my take profit directly on an SNR level, sometimes it won't hit that level, but it'll get very close before it'll pivot around. So, I try to set my take profits a little bit above or below, depending on if I'm shorting or, going long. So, I just set my take profit right down here above this level into this little area, into this wick where the price came after the first bearish move. So once we got the retest, we got the failure here, I took my entries and I wrote it right here, and you just got a nice little wick fill there. And pretty simple trade, just following the momentum, watching the rejection of the zones, and trading this wick fill right here. And that's exactly what I did. And it took not very long at all for those trades to complete and hit take profit. Of course, you can see these trades on my Instagram at dread.pirate.forex. If you're not already following me there, go ahead and follow me. And I'm going to be posting some more analysis later this week along with some training. So make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. And thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. I kind of hope you see what I saw there. And if you do have any questions, message me through YouTube or message me through Instagram and I'll try to answer them. So this is Dread, and I'm signing out.